back to another video of my channel, Pitsy Murmur Squad. And as you know, I am playing with my friend Roman, and Sebastian. As you know, this game, it's actually called Avalanche. It's super fun. So I'm just gonna throw as many things as possible. So today we're playing, guys, and today we're playing Roblox again. Because it's super fun for a reason. Okay, Roman made it. It's literally automatic. Because I put on the setting automatic. Oh no. No, it's not. It's not block it. No, there's literally no way he plays it. This is not the same song. It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. And guys, today we're playing. Okay, guys. As you know, today, guys, and as you know, today we're actually playing. Oh shoot! I just got hit. And today we're playing the game Avalanche. It's fun. It's fun, it just takes a long time. I died. Okay, I'm just dead. Oh, Bashbot. Sebastian. Okay guys, we're not supposed to say a shout out on literally every video. But if one day, if we get a sponsor, we'll actually tell. Oh, I dodged it. Hi, I'm Pebble Pig. Ugh. Oh yeah, by the way, I gotta wait literally 14 days to change my name to Pitsy Murmur. Da 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 da. Oh, I dodged one. Sebastian, are you on auto fire? Hey, come on! I made all this progress literally for nothing, and I died. Oh, my body's going flying. Ugh. Roman is the pro. And guys, by the way, this is actually, if you have Roblox, if you don't have it, so then it's free. Just to let you know, it's actually free. It's super fun. You could play a lot of games. You could create your own game. And add friends so then you could play with them. Like literally everyone does. Oh, Roman got hit. Wait, for real? When Sebastian hit me with a big block of ice, it literally player of the game, Sebastian. Sebastian is actually good at this. I'm on top of the hammer. Wait, what? Did you just put the Among Us sound? And guys, I am not auto firing. Sorry. Or maybe not sorry. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah, that's true. I remember that. That mountain is actually... What? No. I'm grabbing a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Wait, what? Sebastian finished in first place? Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Yeah? And Sebastian, don't forget to turn off that auto thing. Me too, I turned it off. No! Come on, get up. No, Sebastian sent me back to the start. Come on, Okay, Sebastian, I actually believe that you have auto fire because I want to see if I can finish my first race thing. I'm literally at 5 HP. Oh, it's you, the killer Roman. It's you. I thought it was Sebastian. Oh, come on. Hey guys, this video literally has been playing for 11 minutes. Sure. What should we play? Wait, can we play slap battles? Okay, what game are you playing? Oh, Field Trip Z. Okay, Sebastian, Roman, come here. Oh no, this is hardcore mode. Okay, guys. Oh, that's cool. I literally just saw a medkit floating in the sky. Robloxian High School? That sounds copyrighted. Oh, Miss Karen. Wait, guys. No way, me and Roman are beside each other. That is so cool. Oh, guys, there's a med kit. How do we get it? Oh, there, I got 3 med kits. I'm starving for a burger. Guys, he says I'm starving for a burger. Okay, Sebastian, just in case I have med kits, I found them. Guys, I got a blue key. I got a blue key. Oh, I got to the room. Sebastian, get in your seat. You're gonna get killed. Sebastian, quick. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, okay, Sebastian, Roman and me are gonna be the editors, okay? I have a blue key for literally nothing. And a med kit. Okay, Sebastian, you made me on this cart. No, keep it a secret. Okay guys, this video's been running for 18 minutes. Cool. Yeah? Okay guys, I found the blue key. Okay, why can't I use the blue key? Why can't I use the blue key? I have no clue. Yeah, but for one reason it's not working. I know, I'm tapping on it. Science. And guys, don't forget that actually science is actually very important. When you go to school, okay guys, let's sit here. No, Roman, we can't copyright it. Okay guys, come on, we're sitting here. Okay guys, come on. Wait guys, I could literally do edits right now. Okay guys, you have to have this thing called V-Recorder, which is video recorder. Yeah, on your phone. It's okay, Roman, just don't edit the video. Wait, no, don't you have CapCut? No. I know, but you could, wait. Exactly. Yeah, that's actually true. Everybody is smart. Super smart. Okay, where's the lunch area? Is there something to do that I can help? Okay. Hey, Roman, quick, there's one more to get. Yay! And I'm pretty sure. And guys, after this story is done, we're actually gonna post the video, okay? Okay, how did you get? What? Oh, I don't have enough. Come on. The ice cream truck. He turned in. He could. Go to the toilets? Oh, I got this. I got an antidote. No, look it. It's an antidote. It literally says. Oh. Yeah, I get it. He's not gonna catch me. Guys, I got an antidote. If someone dies, I can heal them. Yes. Yes, Donut Dave! Okay, guys, how did you get those chairs? That's blocks and go. Plus we have 3 med kits. Now I have 2 med kits. Nope. Start Thursday. Wait. Oh, pistol not permanent. Dumpster diver, what? Oh yeah, dumpster day. Dumpster diver day. It's the guy in the thing. We're gonna get killed. I knew it! Guys, I told you it was dumpster diver days. What are zombies? Go in the trap. Oh no, I forgot this part. There's like guys everywhere. I don't know. Oh no, not these guys. Okay, guys. So after this scene, it's actually gonna be the end of the video. Yeah. So we hope you enjoyed the video, and Wait, guys, get on top of the shelves. And we'll see you in the next video.